Today I have a Vivo V9 phone with me, of which I'll be replacing the LCD screen combo because it has a cracked glass and damaged LCD screen. I had thought to make this video because every Vivo phone is just like the same, and if you see this video, maybe you can repair your own Vivo phone. So for starting, I'll be turning off the phone and open the bottom screws, these two screws which is holding the back panel, and I'll be using this magnetic pad to structure my screws because a magnetic pad can be really helpful in these small repairs. After that, I am using the suction cup to pop over my screen. So this is really helpful, as in later stage it is difficult to pop over the screen. Then I will use this pick to detach the back panel, and whenever we are detaching the back panel, it is always advised to get off the sim tray, as it always gets stuck in the process. So here I am continuing with my suction cup and with the help of those picks, and with it I'll be able to lift off the back panel from the LCD display. And in this I have ripped off my screen, but there's no problem because this screen was of no use. And you can see this is the phone from inside, and here we get the first sneak peek. And now we have to remove this fingerprint scanner ribbon cable, which is attached to the motherboard using this one screw and a plate. So I'm removing this screw, and then we'll remove the plate and this ribbon cable, so that we can keep away the back panel. So here I go, almost it's now detached. So now we'll keep this back panel away, and we'll continue further by unscrewing all the screws present on the motherboard. So this is one motherboard cover type of thing which we have to remove, so that we will get the access to the ribbon cables beneath it. So here I am unscrewing all the screws over here. So here I go, the screws are almost removed, but when I'm trying to pry this off, it is not coming off because I think any one of the screw is left. And here I see it's this covered screw which is covered with the Vivo sticker. So this is done by Vivo just to ensure that no one open it, and if anyone opens it, then the warranty will be void. So here I open it, and we can see it comes off very swiftly. And this is the motherboard of the phone. So we'll just get off the battery by prying off the connector of the battery, and then using the pull tab to remove the battery. And here we go, the battery is removed. So this is the battery, I'll keep it aside. Other than that, we will remove this display cable which is already ripped off while we were removing this display. And now I'll get my new LCD display which I have ordered from maxbee.com. And as you can see, this is the display. Now what I'll do is, using the hole present on this holder of the LCD, I will pass on the ribbon cable, and on the other side I will attach it to the motherboard using the connector. So here I go. After this step, you can plug on the battery and ensure that the screen is working, but I am skipping that step to make the video shorter. So this is the adhesive which I'll be using to stick the display. So you can see the display is over the chassis of the phone, and now what I will do is lift it off from one side, and I will start applying this adhesive. So you can see I'm applying the adhesive. You can don't over apply it, but you have to apply this much that the phone sticks well. And always ensure that when the screen sticks, it's just flush with the edges. Now on this step, we will now put back the battery on and connect the connector of the battery with the motherboard. And after that, we can now test if the phone still works after all the things we have done. And here we can see the phone is still booting and is good to go. After that, now we have to do all the steps back in the reverse position what we have did in the starting of the video. So we will put back this cover and put back all the screws present on it using the screwdriver. And here you can see I am putting all the screws back. So this is very simple now to put back all the phone together. And now I will plug back in the fingerprint scanner cable, and after that I will shut back the back panel of this phone. After some gentle pressure, the click sound will be heard, and after that click sound we can ensure that the back panel is closed. So now you can see the phone is booting. And don't forget to tighten back these bottom screws of the back panel, just like I am doing. After that, it is advised to keep your phone in these rubber bands so that the glue gets positioned correctly and gets dried perfectly, at least for 24 hours. So thanks for watching my video. I hope it helped you. Don't forget to like to and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed watching it.